So we have a donor engine for the Honda. We just brought her home. Her first day home. Got her cheap. Got her on the cheap from old yard I used to use years ago. That's how she goes. All right, pull the truck out.
Gotta kind of detach it from the truck.
That's silly.
Mosquitoes.
I like this little rail I made for the dirt bikes. Pretty sweet. Unbolts, comes right out if you want to. Protects the bed. Sweet. Junkyard did for 300 bucks. Got 130 on it. It'll work. His has 240. You got her. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Back up. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. Good. Sons of bitches. Of course, I go up the bolt with it. That ain't gonna help. All right. Slowly. A little bit more. All right. Can't hurt anything. All right, pull her out. There you go.